Hey, this is Tom from Rocket Restorations, and today we hang up a giant neon sign. We did a video a little while ago about getting this one in Kansas, and here it is. So today we're gonna hang it up, and just keep in mind, like, you may think I know what I'm doing, I don't. We're completely winging this. It's a 20-foot neon sign. Fortunately, it's not very heavy, so I'm gonna be basically winging this as I go. And we'll see what happens. It says Rooks County Implement. It came from Stockton, Kansas. And what was really cool is this dealer was Plymouth, Chrysler, John Deere, and GMC truck, which is quite the combination. I actually have a picture of the dealer when all these signs were up. So they were all individual signs. They had, it was this way, it was John Deere, then Chrysler, Rooks County Implement, Plymouth, and then GMC trucks. So they were like huge. I mean, and this is a 20-foot sign, but the good news is it's an aluminum frame, so it really doesn't weigh that much. But we have tools to make this all work. So we have the tools, we can fix it. So bought this man lift off Facebook Marketplace a couple years ago, and it's been very handy, especially for stuff like this. Hey, Evan. There's Jamie. We're about to break in a Daytona motor. We may cover that later. But we're kind of figuring the Dodge sign was a little lonely up here, so we're gonna put a companion on the opposite side. So I got nice big beams up here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on this side. So right in the middle of that step right there, and then go right across. The biggest hard part here, I don't know what I'm talking, the hardest part here is going to be finding the studs. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put wood underneath it to kind of cradle it up there and hold the weight. And then there's brackets on top that we're gonna screw them into studs. So, and then what we'll probably do is to bridge the studs, I'll put a 2x4 behind it. So it's solid to a stud, but I kind of have to figure that out. We gotta get the sign over here and start doing some measuring. So as I said, not an expert at this in any way, shape, or form. So tread lightly, but it will be up soon. And I'm gonna document the process. So what we're gonna do here is I cut these pieces about the length of the beam and the sign, and I'm going to screw them up as kind of a base that we can lay on it. Insert to Jamie saying it isn't square, but it's square there. But that's assuming I can actually cut wood straight, which is probably not the case.
No.
Hey, there's a 68 Charger.
Instagram.
And now we carry it over. And Jamie's looking at me dirty for trying to get a video out of this. All right, I'm gonna put this up against some neon. This isn't gonna work at all, but here we go.
It's a great technique. Like it.
It's not really working though, unfortunately.
It's the kind of thing I would do.
So it's more commentary than video right now.
Welcome to it.
We were carrying it across the yard to get it back into the shop.
You should go in that door.
Go in that door.
This door?
Make sure you go the right way. You're good.
Yep, you're good.
Yeah,
Gonna have to lift it
There's no
above.
cord on it.
No cord at all?
Above the toolbox? Yeah, we gotta figure that out.
There's Romex hanging out the back.
Well, then we
Why
need to figure that out
don't we
now.
let it sit down? Alright.
Clean it up so we could do that.
Alright, now we gotta figure out where the cord is. Should sit right here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So the cord goes out that way.
Yeah.
Okay, focus, will you?
Later.
There we go.
We need to hardwire it. Or out of cord.
Okay, I have a cord. I have to
Oh,
find it.
hey, speaking of which, remember.
Okay, so now the next step is put the extension cord on. So what our guy does, he's Bellingham Neon up in Bellingham. He's amazing. He's an old guy, kind of semi-retired, just works out of his shop, but he does a great job. So he's the one who restored this. And then what he does is, we had the original transformer to this, but it's just a bad idea to use that. So he put a modern transformer in right there, an extension cord. So we're just gonna run it out the top and then put it into a standard extension cord, and we'll be able to plug it in and see beautiful neon here very soon.
certified electrician, and you should definitely pay me to fix your house.
Yeah, because Jamie has time to do that. With his 4 jobs and...
It's only 3 jobs.
3 jobs? No. Is that where we're at now? 3 jobs?
No, I don't like wire nuts at all.
Well, I'm open to other options.
No, it's the right tool for the job here.
Yeah. It's inside. It's... Yeah.
It's fine.
It's all good. All right, so we're gonna wire up the extension cord, and then we can run that to a wall socket in the wall. So we have our supports up here. I'm on the man lift, and then we're gonna bring it to the door, put it up on here, and then these will support it, and then we're gonna use drywall screws up here on the top brackets on the side. So Evan's got a ladder over here too, so yeah, wish us luck. And it goes. All right, so now we're putting in drywall anchors up here. We've got it up on our posts, and you know, it doesn't touch that one, but the beam's not straight, the sign's not straight. We're not quite sure. Did you hit metal?
What?
What'd you hit?
No, I spun the insert.
Oh.
That sucks.
Yeah, that's why you don't use sheetrock originally.
Oh.
All right.
I just didn't grab
What's
anything.
going on here?
Woo!
It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Wait till it's on. Jamie's putting all the drywall screws on. Well, everyone just is going to accuse me of trying to be Dead Dodge Garage, so. This is better than I could ever have imagined. Rooks County Imp. What a cool sign. And then on the other side, we have Mr. Dodge.
George Dodger.
I'm just gonna like pull up a chair and just stare at this for like an hour. How great is this? And after getting the sign up, we gotta put this thing back in its hole, which is over there in that shop. And Evan's going to pull out the Jeep. Jamie's getting a Barracuda over here. Cool car. Beep, beep, beep. Oop, wrong way. Oops. Oop, don't hit the flare. This is what I get for trying to film and drive at the same time. There we go. Yeah, 6-1 flare. Jeep. Secret stash room. Honda. World War II Willys. 62 Chrysler. All right, so that's how you hang up a 20-foot neon sign with no plan. And I think it worked out pretty good. So it's resting on those blocks up there with drywall screws, and I have more neon on my shop because you can never have enough neon. It's impossible. Got my Plymouth sign over there. Yeah, it's GM Hydromatic Drive, but it's still neon. My buddy Baker sign, that was from the 69 Michigan race. But yeah, this just makes me super happy. I love having more signs up and more neon. It's super cool. It's on the other side of the Dodge. It's interesting that the Dodge is so much brighter than the Rooks sign. I think it's just the red. I think the red just stands up a little more, so. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, appreciate it.